Gearheads, listen up. We all know EVs are the hot new wheels on the block. But before you ditch your gas guzzler and go full electric, let's hit the pause button. Today, we're revving up the top 5 reasons why an EV might not be your perfect match. Buckle up, because these roadblocks could leave your electric dreams on hold. Reason 5. Don't forget the total cost of ownership, beyond the sticker price. Sure, you might save on gas with an EV, but hold on to your wallets. The total cost of ownership might not be as smooth as an electric motor. EVs generally have a higher upfront price tag compared to gasoline cars. On top of that, repairs can be more expensive due to the complex EV technology, and insurance costs also tend to be higher for these new vehicles. So make sure you crunch the numbers before taking the electric plunge. Reason 4. Patience is a virtue, especially when charging. We all know filling up a gas tank takes minutes, but charging an EV? Well, that's a whole different story. While DC fast chargers can offer an 80% charge in 20 to 60 minutes, that's still significantly longer than a gas station pit stop. Home charging can take even longer, and for those living in apartments or without driveways, it might not even be an option. So, if you're short on time and patience, an EV might not be your best bet. Reason 3. Range anxiety. Friend or foe on the open road. Ever heard the phrase range anxiety? It's the constant worry that plagues many EV owners. The limited range of most EVs, especially in cold weather or with heavy use, can turn a carefree road trip into a stressful game of will I make it to the next charging station? That nagging fear in the back of your mind isn't exactly the recipe for a relaxing drive. Reason 2. Charging infrastructure. Convenience myth or road trip nightmare? Picture this. You're on a road trip, windows down, music pumping, ready for adventure. Suddenly, your EV's battery throws up a red flag. Unlike a quick gas station stop, finding a charging station can be a real mission, especially in remote areas. Even if you do find one, waiting times can be longer than a snail race, and juggling multiple charging apps can leave you feeling more confused than a lost tourist in Tokyo. So ditch the spontaneous road trip dreams and be prepared for some serious planning and patience if you go electric. Reason 1. Resale value blues. From shiny star to fading fast. Imagine this. You buy a brand new EV, a shiny symbol of green living. But a few years down the line, its value might take a nosedive faster than a drag racer at the finish line. Why? EV technology is constantly evolving, leaving older models feeling outdated quicker than a flip phone. Plus, there's a question mark over battery replacement costs, which could put a serious dent in your wallet. So while you save on gas, you might lose out on resale value. So, are EVs a bad idea? Absolutely not. But it's important to be aware of the potential roadblocks before you make the switch. EVs are a fantastic option for some drivers, but for others, a gas-powered car might still be the more practical choice. The key is to do your research and consider your individual needs and driving habits before you hit the electric highway.